to set it up with some of the most popular providers, Fintiba, Expatrio and Coracle. Before jumping into the providers, there are some terms to understand so that it will be easier to navigate through the process. Money will be released in monthly installments, typically 992 euros per month. The blocked account is mandatory for non-EU EEA students applying for German sponsor who provides financial guarantee. Setup fee is the initial charge you pay when opening a blocked account. This fee is non-refundable and covers the processing and administrative costs associated with setting up your account as a security measure. It is refundable if unused. Public insurance is available to students, employees with lower incomes and job seekers. Make sure to choose the provider that best suits your needs, considering the factors such as processing time, additional benefits and fees. There are several options available for setting up a blocked account in Germany. Let's compare 3 popular providers. Understanding the block account for international students in Germany. If you're planning to study in Germany, one of the key financial requirements you'll encounter is the block account, Sparkonto. This requirement ensures that the students can financially support themselves while studying in Germany. Here's the detailed breakdown of what the blocked account is, its necessity, and how to set it up with some of the most popular providers, Fintiba, Expatrio and Coracle. Now, let's know what is blocked account. A blocked account is a special type of bank account where you deposit a lump sum amount of money that will be disbursed monthly. This account serves to demonstrate that you have sufficient financial resources to cover up your living expenses while studying in Germany. The required amount to be deposited for the year 2025 is of 11,904 euros. This sum is set by the German authorities, reflecting estimated living cost including rent, groceries, transportation and health insurance. The money will be released in monthly installments, typically 992 euros per month, into your local bank account in Germany, ensuring that your living expenses are covered. Who needs the block account? The blocked account is mandatory for non-EU EEA students applying for German student visa, student without a scholarship or financial sponsor residing in Germany, student without a formal financial guarantee, for example, a letter of obligation from a sponsor in Germany, applicants for preparatory courses, student colleague before starting university, job seekers for applying German job seeker visa who needs to prove financial stability. It is not mandatory for EU EEA students, though proof of financial means may still be required. Student with DART or other full scholarship covering living expenses. Students with German-based sponsor who provides financial guarantee. Now let's know about the top providers for the blocked account. Before jumping into the providers, there are some terms to understand so that it will be easier to navigate through the process. Let's discuss those first. First, setup fees. Setup fee is the initial charge you pay when opening a blocked account. This fee is non-refundable and covers the processing and administrative costs associated with setting up your account. Each provider charges different setup fee and it is typically paid upfront during the account opening process. Second, monthly fee. The monthly fee is an ongoing charge that you pay every month for maintaining the blocked account. This fee covers the service of holding and managing the funds in your blocked account. While some providers have low monthly fee, others may have a higher, depending on the service they offer, such as customer support, health insurance option and other benefits. Third, buffer deposit. The buffer deposit is an additional amount that you may need to deposit in your block account as a security measure. It is refundable if unused. This amount is typically small and its purpose is to ensure there are no issues with payments or charges during the account setup or activation process. After your account is activated, any unused buffer amount will be refunded to you. Fourth, health insurance. There are 2 main types of health insurance in Germany. Public health insurance, GKV. Public health insurance typically costs 110 to 120 euros per month for students. It covers essential medical service like doctor visit, emergency care, hospital stays and prescriptions. Public insurance is available to students, employees with lower incomes and job seekers. Some of the main providers include Technical Krankenkasse and Barmer. It is reliable, affordable, and meets visa requirements, making it the most popular choice for students and many foreign workers in Germany. Private health insurance (PKV). Private health insurance start at 38 to 40 euros per month, but can be higher depending on the plan. It may offer additional benefits like faster access to specialists, private hospitals, and more personalized care. Private insurance is available to those who earn higher incomes or self-employed, and in some cases, students under 30 may also opt for it. While it provides more flexibility and extra perks, it is generally more expensive and may not cover all services as comprehensively as public insurance. Now that we have a clearer understanding for these terms, let's look at some top providers for blocked accounts. There are several options available for setting up a blocked account in Germany. Let's compare three popular providers: Fentiba, Expatrio, and Coracle. First, Fentiba Plus. Setup fee 89 euros. Monthly fee 4.90 euros. Blocked amount 11,904 euros for 12 months. Buffer deposit 100 euros refunded if unused. Health insurance public Bummer 120 euros. Private 38 euros plus. Additional benefits: mobile app, faster processing 10 minutes, customer support, digital confirmation for visa. Processing time 10 minutes. Key benefit: fast setup with mobile app for easy account management. Second, Expatrio value package. Setup fee 69 euros, cashback available. Monthly fee 5 euros. Blocked amount 11,904 euros for 12 months. Buffer deposit 100 euros refunded if unused. Health insurance public TK 110 to 120 euros. Private options available. Additional benefits: cashback up to 90 euros, fast confirmation, and additional student benefits such as free travel insurance. Processing time 24 hours. Key benefits: cashback and additional student benefits like health insurance options. Third, Coracle. Setup fee 99 euros for standard or 59 euro for prime. Monthly fee none. Blocked amount 11,208 euros for 12 months. Buffer deposit 80,000 refunded if unused. Health insurance free guidance on TK, Bummer, AOK, DAC. Monthly fees, flexible health insurance options, faster customer support. Processing time 2 hours. Key benefit: no monthly fees and fastest customer support. Now let's know the step-by-step process to open a blocked account. First, Fentiba Plus. Register on Fentiba's website, upload passport, and fill in your personal details. Transfer the required amount 11,904 euros, setup fee of 89 euros, and monthly fee of 4.90 euros. Receive a digital confirmation required for visa application. Upon arrival in Germany, activate your account by linking it to a local bank and accessing monthly payouts. Second, Expatrio value package. Sign up on Expatrio's website and choose the value package. Provide personal details and upload your passport. Transfer the required amount of 11,904 euros and setup fee of 69 euros. Receive a block account confirmation letter within 24 hours for visa application. After arriving, link your account to a German bank for disbursement. Third, Coracle. Register on Coracle's website and choose a package between standard of 99 euros or prime of 59 euros. Submit your passport and details. Transfer the required amount of 11,200 euros and setup fee of 59 euros or 99 euros. Receive confirmation of your visa application within 2 hours. After arrival, activate your account by linking it to a local bank. Now, accessing funds in Germany. Once your blocked account is activated in Germany, you will need to follow these steps. First, open a local bank account. Open current account with a German bank. Second, activate your block account. Provide documents like proof of residence and bank details. Third, monthly disbursement. Your blocked account will release a monthly allowance of approximately 992 euros into your local bank account. Fourth, accessing funds. You can access your funds through your local bank account to cover your living expenses, including rent, groceries, and other essentials. Now, let's know which provider to choose. Fintiba is ideal for those seeking fast setup and mobile app management. Expatrio offers attractive cashback options and additional student benefits, including health insurance. Coracle is the best choice for those looking for no monthly fees and excellent customer support. Any unused funds will remain in the blocked account and can be accessed in subsequent months. In conclusion, the blocked account is an essential part of your financial planning for studying in Germany. Make sure to choose the provider that best suits your needs, considering the factors such as processing time, additional benefits, and fees.